Idiot.
Real slow through this. There you go, try and stay to the left.
Okay, the front Jeeps are going through a couple sections of rocks right now.
What do you think?
Things slow down a tad behind them until people get through, but up front we're rolling again now. Anybody that needs a spotter or gets hung up and needs help, say something. If the trail stops where you're at, say something so we can stop up front.
If you try and keep your left heels a little high where it's
Stop here in the middle.
somewhat
We're
flatter.
up here real quick. Fiona, you gonna spot?
Thank you.
This is pretty rocky.
He's gonna tell her to lock it up. Watch. See?
That backup light is bright.
Got plenty of time, Keith.